The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Throckmorton County in west central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Throckmorton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elbert around 8:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include the intersection of US 380 and Highway 222. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.